You've probably heard of UptimeRobot. Maybe a colleague mentioned it, maybe it came up in a search, and you want a quick answer to what is it, what does it do? Let me explain it in under 2 minutes. The short version: UptimeRobot is an external watchdog for your websites and services. You tell it what to keep an eye on: your website, your API, scheduled job, your SSL certificate, and it quietly checks each one in the background around the clock. The moment something goes down, slows down, or fails a check, your team gets notified first. No agents to install, no code to write. It's a cloud service that runs on its own. With over 3 million users, UptimeRobot is the most popular Uptime robot service in the world. It is used by startup founders, savvy engineers, and well-known enterprise brands such as Cisco, GitHub, Slack, and others. What it can monitor: UptimeRobot can watch websites and APIs to confirm they are online and responding correctly, servers, ports, and DNS records for infrastructural level checks, cron jobs and scheduled tasks so you know when a background job silently fails, SSL certificates and domains so you're warned before they expire. Whatever the check type, the idea is the same: catch the problem before your users do. Because a lot of incidents aren't obvious, an API returns errors while the whole page still works, a cron job silently fails for 3 days, a certificate quietly expires on a Sunday night. UptimeRobot is the layer that catches these and gets them to your team fast through email, SMS, Slack, Discord, PagerDuty, or whatever else you use. It's used by basically anyone who needs a simple external visibility into whether their services are up. If you want to try it, the link is in the description box. It's free, no credit card, and the free plan covers 50 monitors and a status page. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring!